Hello. We're here to set up a touch frame. After you set up your touch IOs, the next thing you want to set is going to be your touch frame. This will direct the robot in the direction for your search when you apply your touch. To set up a touch frame, you're going to press your menu key, go to line 6 setup, press F1 type, and go to something called touch frame. Select your frame number in the top left corner. I am going to select frame number 3. I will key in a 3 and press enter. Note the screen is now uninitialized. There is no data for this touch frame. We are going to teach the touch frame in order for it to work for our touch routine. You have two methods here to teach. You can choose direct entry, where you type in your rotation about X, Y, or Z, or you have the 3-point method, where you teach your orient origin, your X plus direction, and your Y plus direction based off of the right-hand rule on your part. This example, we are going to set up using the direct entry method. When you have your part in line with the world coordinate system and you would like to use the world coordinate system for your touch, all you have to do is press F5 done and note the bottom of your screen. Everything changed to used, and now touch frame 3 is set up for touch sensing.